You are going to love the 2020 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.